meeting is taking place at this time in the Media Center classroom.
So today we're starting day 4, exponential equations. So let's review what we did yesterday. So we expanded. So we take 2x squared times 1/2 x to the negative 2. Then we take, so plus 2x squared times 3x squared. So then we'd have minus 2x squared times negative 2x to the 1/2. And then we have to combine this. So 2 times 1/2 is 1. We add our exponents, so that'd be x to the 0, plus, this would be 6x, 2 plus 2 is 4. Negative 2 times negative 2, sorry, that should be positive 2, my bad. Positive 2 times negative 2, so negative 4x. And then we would have to the 2.5. We know x to the 0 is 1, so we're left with 1 plus 6x to the 4th minus 4x to the 2.5. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at solving exponential equations. And the first step when you want to solve is you want to rewrite with the same base. So these first two are excellent examples here. 2 to the x plus 1. Well, how can we write 32 with a base of 2? Well, we know that that is 2 to the 5th power. And once our bases are the same, I think I skipped a slide, so we'll go back to that first one. So if you're looking at this and like, where are they? This is already that second slide. So now that our bases are the same, we can take these parts, our exponent part, and set it equal. So x plus 1 equals 5, so x has to equal 4. So when we take a look at this next one, well, our base, this can be with a base of 3. So this is 3 to the 1st. This is 3 squared times x minus 3. But we know when we're multiplying exponents, or like this, we just multiply it through. So this is 3 times 2 x minus 3 equals 3 to the 1st. Because again, our rule when they're parentheses, we just multiply them, so we can set our exponents equal. The bases are the same. So we have 2x minus 6 equals 1. Add 6, so 2x equals 7, so x equals 7/2. So if we go take a look at that first example there, again, you want to rewrite with the same base. So 3 to the x, well, that's 3 to the x. 27 is 3 to the 3rd. So, excuse me, sorry about that. So x has to equal 3. Now this one, 1 over 4, well, 2 to the x minus 2, I know 1 over 4 is 1 over 2 squared, but we have to make it so they're on the same side of the numerator. Well, to flip this, we make it negative. So 2 to the x minus 2, 2 to the negative 2. So we have x minus 2 equals negative 2, so x equals 0 when we add 2. So let's see, we looked at that one. Now we're going to take a look at this next one here. Well, first thing we got to do is let's get that exponent by itself. Divide by 5. So now we have 2 to the x equals 8. Well, 8 can be written with a base of 2. That's 2 cubed. So x has to equal 3. All right, so we got to get that exponent by itself. So divide by 12. So this one's a little messy. Some of you guys remember when you divide fractions, you keep the numerator and you multiply by the reciprocal. Another way of looking at this